Hi, first graders. All right, so this week for shared reading, we are going to be reading this story called Yellowstone, A Place of Wild Wonders. And this is a nonfiction book about a place called Yellowstone. And for those of you that have never heard of Yellowstone, Yellowstone is what we call a national park. And a national park is a big part of our land that is owned by the government, and they protect it. So people can't build houses on national parks, or you can't live on a national park. Okay. So they are all throughout the United States. I'm sure since we live in Colorado, you've probably been to a national park before and you might not even know it. All right. So before we read this story, you guys are going to find this page here on Seesaw. All right. Just like always, you are welcome to just write it in your journal if you would prefer to do that. But I want you to start to activate your schema, which means get your brain thinking about national parks or nature, or anytime you have ever been camping or on a hike or to a forest. I want you to activate your schema and think about those times. And I want you to make a list or draw. Tell me, what do you see? What do you hear? And what do you smell in these places? All right. So for me, I just went on a trail run yesterday. So all of this is kind of fresh in my head. It was a national park, and things that I saw rocks, I saw dirt, I saw some deer prints in the mud. I saw lots and lots of pine trees. Okay, what did I hear? I heard birds chirping. I heard wind blowing. It's really quiet when you're in a national forest because there's no highways super close usually. That one might be kind of hard. And then things that I smelled, all right? I smelled fresh flowers. Um, Maybe you're thinking of a time you went camping. Sometimes you smell campfires when you're there, right? So the first thing you're going to do is I want you to fill this page out to activate your schema. Okay. And then after you do that, you will go to the next slide and we will read this story together. Okay.